Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to find Bitcoin address on Binance application. It's the same on the desktop version, so before we dive into, make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now, you want to go ahead to your homepage on Binance, and after that, you can go ahead to your wallets. And now you want to go ahead and click deposit option. This is the first button. And after that, you will need to go ahead and find Bitcoin. After you will find Bitcoin, you will be able to see your address. So choose Bitcoin. Now you will need to choose a smart chain, which you are going to use. So you will see these options, Bitcoin, Lightning Network, BNB Smart Chain, Ethereum, and BNB Bitcoin Chain. So make sure you choose the one which has the less fees. So for example, for today, let's choose BNB Smart Chain. And from here, you will see your QR code and deposit address, which you can copy and just save and share your address. So if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.